Welcome to Life with Carrie. Today we have the all-new Roomba, the 694, with compatible Wi-Fi capabilities. This is what it looks like right out of the package. See, it comes with instructions. Everything's packaged all nicely. And right here you get the little charger that comes with it. We got the warranty. And we got the instructions right here. So it's saying the first thing that you want to do is you want to get it set up so it could charge. But before you place it on the charger, you have to remove, there's a tab underneath. So we're just going to take the Roomba, flip it over, and there we go. There's the tab that has to come out. So we're just going to pull this out. It's a little hard to actually pull out. Alright, so we got the battery tab pulled. That was actually quite of a challenge to pull it out. You need a little bit of muscle force, but it does come out. You just gotta kind of pull it back and it'll come right out. So, this is what it looks like inside. And right up here, we have the little sensors. This is for the charging. And we have the side brush, and we have the right wheel, and we have the left wheel. And then this is the cleaning module right here. And over here, there's some cliff sensors over here. We got this removable caster wheel right here. And we got the charger, and then the cliff sensors right there. So the cliff sensors are all the way around. That way it won't like fall down the stairs or anything. And it has the good sensors right there. So it could basically go in the direction it's supposed to go without running into things or falling down the stairs or whatnot. It lights up with that battery bar, so it's telling you that it's not charged at all right now. So we'll let this charge for a little bit and we'll come back and I'll let you know about how long it takes to charge. So literally it took like only about 5 minutes to charge. I think it was already charged partially. So we'll go ahead and we'll give it a shot. So we're going to push the button. Let's see what happens. Whoa, there it goes. Pretty cool. And also, the directions that come with it are really nicely written. They're very easy to read about how to clean it and care for it and everything. So yeah, we'll give this a shot and hopefully everything works all good. It looks like it bumped into the chair over there a little bit, but it should be able to move and adjust on its own. There it goes. It's kind of sensing around. So we just finished our first job with the Roomba. And we're gonna take a look. Oh my god. So it says to make sure you clean the brushes after each use. So you could actually get like a screwdriver to get these hairs out, or you could just pull them out. Just be very careful. So there's some hair stuck in there, and then also we have to take out the filter. So to do that, I will show you how. So you just push this button right here, and you can see everything that's built up in there. So you just want to take that out, and it says to replace the filter every couple of months. That's the blue part. You just pull down, it comes right out. But oh my god, look at all the dog hair that it actually sucked up, because we have 2 dogs. Oh my goodness. I never realized our room was this dirty, and we just vacuumed like last week. So the app for the Roomba is so easy to use. You just go to the iRobot app, and it walks you through everything you need to do. It's super simple to set up. You just have to create an account, and you name your vacuum. We named ours Robot Mama because my daughter wanted to name it that. And you could actually program it to do specific jobs at certain times of the day, which is kind of cool. So I just did a regular vacuum, but I started it directly through my phone. It'll go for 90 minutes, and once it's done, it'll return to the home base, wherever your home base is located, and then it will recharge. So right now it's going here, and what's cool is that it goes on different levels of surfaces. So it could go on like different carpets, tile, We have several throw carpets, and it actually hovers right over all of them, so you don't have to worry about that. And the dogs are a little scared about it, but it works great. And the filter, it's so easy to clean after. You just pull it down, it empties right out. So there you go. We connected to the Wi-Fi, everything's complete, super easy, easy to follow instructions, and it works great. So I relocated it, I brought it closer to its home, and we'll see if it locks itself in there automatically. Oh yeah, look at that. It did. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.